Ideally located between Cannes and Nice, 15 minutes from Nice Côte d'Azur International Airport. Discover the prestigious private domain of Les Hauts de Vaugrenier, the perfect place to find your home or your apartment. Located in a green setting of more than 130 hectares, you can find tree artificial lakes and many panoramas with breathtaking views over the Mediterranean Sea, a real paradise for nature lovers. Only 5 minutes from the beaches of Villeneuve-Loubet, this private domain has 1,500 dwellings including 880 apartments and 520 villas. 24 guards who ensure the safety of its inhabitants. The area extends over 130 hectares of wooded parks over which 11 hamlets are spread. Our agency offers you the purchase and the rental of houses or apartments in this setting with exceptional quality of life. There you will find a clubhouse restaurant, tennis courts, an Olympic swimming pool, a village, and a nursery school. Do not wait any longer to contact a Riviera Gates agency for your future vacation in south of France or to settle in this fabulous place. Contact us on rivieragates.com.